Okay. Hey Siri. No, wait. Hang on a minute. Okay. Hey Siri, what's next on my agenda?
Okay, Andrea. At 1800 hours, let's talk. How about starting from the question you get asked the most? That's all I got.
Thanks, Siri. Okay, so let's start from this. So I'm a creative person, and there's there's this project I've been working on that well, got some attention, which means you guys stop every time you see me out and about. So I thought to record this video and explain you a little bit more about it. So let's check if I have something in my archive. Let's start from this. Hi.
What's this, a portable?
Yeah,
Louis, have a look at this.
I record sounds of nature, birds, or sometimes I have to get used to airplanes as well here in Finland.
Yes.
Live
Look at
with
this,
my
Louis.
computer.
It's
You just like to listen.
No, I actually capture them and I play with my computer as if it was another instrument.
so that's such a cool mixing board. Is that like a portable mixing board?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you everything. So this is what people ask me every time I'm out. So let's explain a little bit about how this works. As what looks like this from the outside. To me, actually sounds like this. You see, it's quite difficult for me to get new ideas if I spend all day locked in a room. So I find it more inspiring to go out and immerse myself into the wonderful world of inputs that life offers me, and then eventually come back to the studio to do final polishing and work my final magic. I think every moment has some sort of special energy that comes with it. And that's what I want to capture. The way I feel right there, that place, at that time. For me, it's almost like painting, but instead of using colors, I use sounds. My color palette is made of sound frequencies, and I choose the colors I want to use by filtering only the frequencies that I need. Sometimes I use bright colors, sometimes I use well, something a little bit darker. And then as a canvas, instead of using a piece of cloth, let's say, as a surface for my sound paintings, I use synthesizers combined with other sound samples that I get either at the location I'm working at or, you know, from previous sessions. Okay, that should answer your initial questions about what I'm doing, you know, what I'm up to when you see me out in the fields or crazy locations recording and playing sounds. But now that that's more clear, I'm sure you have more questions, so please leave them in the comments below. I will read your comments, I will search for inputs, and I will use these inputs to create new videos. I want to make sure that this is going to be entertaining for you as much as it is for me. Over the next couple of weeks I will be traveling to Spain and Finland. It's going to be crazy, busy time, a lot of work to do, but I will have time to read for your comments. Definitely want to understand more about your thoughts. And let's have a look. So far, well, I already have 9 subscribers, and I still haven't released this video, which is my first video, so I would call that success. Thank you. These are probably people who I met when I was out, I guess. People that liked my story. I'm sure there is Marcus, probably Marcus and his mom from Sweden, a poet from London, a lawyer or lawyer-to-be from South Africa, Nazan from Mongolia, Michael from Poland, Chiara from Venice, a couple of girls from France. I wonder if we all tell a friend how many we're going to be by the next time I release the next video. Shall we try? I'm gonna try right now. I'm gonna send a message to Stefano. He's a friend of mine. I love audio messages. Hey Stefano, it's Andrea here. I'm sending you this link. It's a link to a YouTube channel, and I think you're gonna love it. It's about music, highly experimental stuff, so I'm sure you're gonna have a good time watching it. And if you like it, please subscribe and tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments, and send you a big hug. I hope to see you again soon. Bye. Done. Perfect. Stay tuned.